Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best F-150 trailer wiring is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any truck owner who loves to tow, ensuring your lights and signals communicate effectively with your trailer. And today we're diving deep into what makes a trailer wiring harness truly stand out, separating the good from the great, so you can tow with confidence and safety on every journey, whether it's for work or play. Number 5. CURT 560707 foot truck bed 7-way RV wiring extension. Introducing the CURT 56070, a 7-foot custom wiring extension harness. It's designed to seamlessly add a 7-way RV blade socket directly into your truck bed. Forget about complicated installations. This harness features a simple plug-and-play design, eliminating the need for any cutting or splicing of wires. You can still use your truck's rear socket with this extension. It routes the new socket into the bed while retaining the functionality of the original rear connection. This makes connecting your fifth wheel or gooseneck trailer wiring incredibly easy. It provides the necessary connections for a smooth towing experience. The 7-way connector provides all the essential power for your trailer. This includes tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, and auxiliary power. It also comes with a dust cover to protect the connection when not in use. This ensures longevity and reliable performance for your towing needs. What we like. This option offers a unique truck bed extension, allowing you to route a 7-way RV blade socket directly into your truck bed while still using your rear socket. If you frequently tow fifth wheel or gooseneck trailers and need convenient access to your trailer's power in the bed, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The harness is a direct plug-and-play solution, making installation straightforward. It effectively integrates with the truck's existing electrical system without requiring any modifications. The connectors are robust and provide a secure fit, ensuring reliable power delivery to trailer lights. Number 4. 7-pin trailer wiring extension harness 56070. This 7-way trailer wiring extension harness is designed for universal compatibility with a wide range of trucks. It's perfect for connecting your fifth wheel or gooseneck trailers. Installation is quick and easy with a simple plug-and-play design. No splicing or cutting is required, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your towing setup. Built with high-quality brass terminals for a stable and reliable trailer wiring output. It also features a moisture-proof cover to protect the connector when not in use. This 7-foot extension provides all the necessary connections for your trailer's tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, and auxiliary power. It's compatible with a vast array of popular truck models from Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, GMC, Nissan, Toyota, and Ram, ensuring a perfect fit for many vehicles. We stand by our product. If you have any questions about fitment or need assistance, please reach out to us, and we'll ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This harness provides a universal fit for a wide range of trucks and features high-quality brass terminals for reliable power. If you're looking for a versatile and dependable solution that's incredibly easy to install without any cutting or splicing, this is the one to consider. What people say. The harness was a perfect fit for my 2018 F-150, making installation straightforward. All the lights on my trailer are now functioning correctly after installing this harness. The quality of the connectors seems robust and durable, ensuring a reliable connection. Number 3. CURT 55242 RV trailer wiring harness for Ford F-150, F-250LD. Introducing the CURT 55242, a custom RV blade wiring harness designed for select Ford trucks. It provides a 7-way RV blade socket, connecting all essential trailer functions. Enjoy a simple plug-and-play design that connects directly into your vehicle's tail light assembly. This eliminates the need for any cutting or splicing, making installation a breeze. This harness supports tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, and auxiliary power. It ensures all your trailer's electrical needs are met. A convenient spring-loaded dust cover is included to keep the connector clean and protected when not in use. This ensures longevity and reliable performance. The slit loom design keeps all wires contained and well protected. This maintains a tidy installation and safeguards the wiring from damage. What we like. This harness provides a vehicle-side 7-way RV blade socket with a simple plug-and-play installation. If you need a straightforward way to add a 7-way connector to your vehicle's existing tail light assembly and appreciate a dust cover for protection, this is a solid option. What people say. The harness was a perfect fit for my 2015 F150 and plugged right into the factory tow package. All the necessary connectors were included, making the installation straightforward and quick. The wiring is heavy-duty and seems very durable, which is great for towing. Number 2. CURT 56413 RV Trailer Wiring Harness. Introducing the CURT 56413, a custom RV blade 7-pin trailer wiring harness. It plugs directly into your vehicle's tail light assembly, providing a robust 7-way RV blade socket for all your towing needs. Forget about complicated wiring. This harness features a simple plug-and-play design, meaning no cutting or splicing is required for installation. It's designed for a seamless connection. This 7-way connector is equipped to handle all essential functions. It provides connections for tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, and auxiliary power. Keep your connector in top condition with the integrated spring-loaded dust cover. It effectively shields the socket from dirt and debris when not in use. The slit loom design ensures your wires are neatly contained and well protected. This keeps everything tidy and safeguards the wiring from potential damage. What we like. Similar to another option, this harness offers a vehicle-side 7-way RV blade socket with an easy plug-and-play setup. If you prioritize a clean installation and a protected connector when not in use, this is a great choice for adding essential trailer connectivity. What people say. The harness was a direct fit for my 2017 F150, plugging right into the factory connector without any modifications needed. All the necessary connectors and wiring were included, making the installation straightforward and saving me time. The trailer lights now function perfectly, with all signals, brake, turn, running lights, working as expected. Number 1. CURT 55316 Ford F-Series 4-pin Trailer Wiring Harness. Introducing the CURT 55316 Trailer Wiring Harness. It's designed for a simple, plug-and-play installation, meaning no cutting or splicing is required. This harness connects directly to your vehicle's factory wiring. It provides a standard 4-pin connector, making it ready to tow your trailer in minutes. The 4-flat connector is compatible with most trailer lights, including tail lights, brake signals, and turn signals. This offers flexible towing capabilities for various trailer types. Engineered specifically for select Ford F-Series pickup trucks and cab chassis models. It ensures a precise fit for your vehicle. Connecting and disconnecting your trailer is made easy with its ergonomic design. The tabs provide a secure grip for convenience. It includes a rubber dust cover to protect the connector from the elements. This ensures long-lasting performance and durability. What we like. This harness offers a standard 4-pin trailer wiring connector with a no-cutting, no-splicing installation. If you primarily tow trailers that only require tail, brake, and turn signal lights, and you value an easy-to-grip connector for simple hookups, this is an excellent and versatile solution. What people say. This trailer wiring harness is a direct fit for my 2018 F150, no modifications needed. The plug-and-play design made installation incredibly simple, taking less than 15 minutes. All lights on my trailer are functioning correctly after installing this harness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.